In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix missing bookmarks in Google Chrome. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Now, showing or hiding the bookmarks bar in Google Chrome takes less than 5 seconds. You can either use a quick keyboard shortcut or toggle it through the browser's menu layout. So all you want to do is open up Google Chrome. And if you are on Windows or Linux, what you want to do is press Control, Shift, and B. There we go. As you can see, it just displays and then it hides it automatically. And what I could also do is, if I'm on Mac, press Command, Shift, and B simultaneously. And if you prefer using your mouse to change the interface, open up Google Chrome and then tap the three little dots on the top right, and then hover your mouse over bookmarks and lists. And then when you go ahead and do that, it's going to look like this. And then I'm going to also see hide bookmark bar right there. So all I want to do is I would have to just go ahead and press that, and then they would be hidden. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out other tutorials as well.